So now let's see how we can work around with website generator inside of ChatGPT. So to access website generator, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here and type in website generator right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, you get this little plugin as you can see right here, and I'm simply going to go around and start right here. So you can see that it says create a launch ready website for my business or brainstorm the pages for the website I describe right here. So let's just go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say make a home page using Bootstrap for my YouTube channel TutorTube, where I teach multimedia and general computing tutorials right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says this is what I have. So you can see that it uses the Bootstrap source now, and depending on my prompt that I give right here, you can see that it starts generating the website. So now when you don't utilize the plugin, then it simply creates a simple website, but when I utilize this website generator, then it is more specific right here, as you can see right here, just like this. So it is generating the website, and you need to go around and wait for a bit. So I'm just going to go around and skip to the part until this code is complete. So now you can see that the code is complete, and then this is what you have right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here, and you can see that it says replace the placeholder like your hero image and tutorial 1, etc. with your actual content. And I'm just going to go around and copy this content out right here, and then I'm simply going to paste this out, and then I'm going to save this text file on my desktop as HTML file. So I'm going to go around and say sam.html right here. So once I go around and do that and close it, I can go around and open up this HTML file right here, and you can see that I got the home page right here. So I don't have any images right here because I haven't linked them out, but you got the image placeholders as you can see right here, and there's what's now, contact us, and so forth. And this website is actually let's say responsive as well, as you can see right here, with the menus and everything right here all set for you to actually start working around with. So you can see that there's about, there's tutorials right here, there's contact as well. So let's just go around over here onto contact. It goes around onto the contact page, tutorials, and then it goes to the about as well. So you got a full website ready, as you can see, a one scroll website. As you can see, the outline is ready at least, and you can replace it out with the image right here. So that is how you can go around and then utilize website generator to generate out websites for yourself. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.